I think we're about to do it. Let me get it on both. What? I gotta get the turbo spool. Oh my lord.
Alright, well, it made it to the house.
Did you shut it off?
The thing is completely gutless.
Were you the one that shut it off?
Yeah, but it wasn't gonna let. Why did it stink like that?
That's what, it's because the rod knocked. Alright, take her out, bud. Oh dude, we got access. I feel it hitting me. This is ridiculous.
It literally sounds like a semi. Random civilians. Oh, it's smoking out of like everywhere.
Yeah, I think the seals are already fucked.
What's wrong with her now?
It just shut off. I wonder why.
Oh, you know, I bet it's just a coating because it's smoking from kind of everywhere and there's no oil on it. Like, it is literally brand new. As you can tell by the horrible running conditions and copious amounts of smoke.
Max speeding rods.
Yeah, max speeding rods.
Do we even need an air filter? We should race it. He doesn't know we got a turbo M52. Cold start. Oh. It's a little flawed. You want to film? You don't need any of that.
I can't see what I'm doing.
I'm gonna try M mode.
M mode, because that's gonna fix the blown turbo. Gutless.
It's got a slight misfire.
Like, yeah, just a bit. It's running a little rough. Could use a bit of a tune-up.
I think she ran better NA.
I think so. Well, it did.
We gotta put the O2s in.
Yeah, it needs O2s. I think that should fix most of it. Well, I'm hoping that'll fix most of it. It's definitely running really rough. completely useless because of nothing.
Oh, it is. It's all raw turbo sound.
It sounds half decent though. Like it sounds like a semi. It has like the deep and like the turbo noise.
Why do you have a penny board?
Huh?
Why is there a penny board?
I have no idea.
Interesting.
My eyes are burning.
It's so quiet.
I know, I can actually hear my own thoughts.
I know.
Oh, it's still spinning.
Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Is that good? No, that ain't good.
Is that oil?
No, that's power steering fluid.
You sure?
What would it be leaking oil from?
I don't know, man. Because it's kind of worrying considering it's leaking oil on the way out, but not on the way back in.
She'll be fine.
That wasn't just like a drip or anything either.
Is it not hot?
Yes, it is.
You're a madman.
I just won't touch it. Wheel horsepower.
200? Damn, that's really sad.
173. This thing makes 190 stock, okay? It's probably below that even with like 20 PSI.
You think this setup's gonna make 20 PSI?
I mean, it probably could. Grind Hard made 18.
Yeah.
Dude, all your stuff is in my seat. Dude,
Let's-
you left my laptop on the floor?
I said I'm putting your laptop on the floor.
I don't think so.
Bro, you want a tune or not?
I was cruising.
Don't make me call up RK. Yeah, ready.
I didn't plug the map.
Oh. Part 2. So you're saying this is basically an AMG?
It's basically an AMG.
It's not bi-turbo though.
Not all AMGs are bi-turbo.
It might help having a wastegate.
I don't think so.
You know, that might be...
Why would it
not? I mean, not right now, but now, once we get the coupler on, it would
Well,
be
yeah,
nice.
but like that wouldn't cause the turbo to blow.
Oh, no.
I'm
That's
just-
not what I'm
it
saying.
just
I'm
wouldn't-
saying we should get a wastegate.
Well, yeah, we should, but like
This
that
is-
wouldn't cause any issues.
This is like the most civilized debate I've ever heard in my life.
like we actually agree on something, and it's not just like no.
I like how there's only 2 bolts and 3 studs.
The other stud fell in the exhaust too. Like I swear, it just went missing.
It's in the manifold?
No, I think it's like in the old exhaust.
Interesting. Bro,
I have to clamp this on.
you don't need that, my man. Bro doesn't even run one on the actual intake. The turbo that's already blown, yeah, that needs a filter. The actual intake, nah, you're good.
For them cinematic shots though.
Shall I go grab the frickin' gimbal? I'm gonna grab the gimbal.
Haven't unboosted it.
It was running.
Bold of you to call that running.
Not on any cylinders, but it was running.
You know,
maiden voyage with it actually hooked up turbo somewhat with no tune.
Should we leave the cabin lighting on?
If you want. Oh. Whoa! Oh my god.
It just falls on his face.
Oh Lord.
Oh heck. Ah. Okay, I'm unboosting it. 1 second.
What was that?
Good freaking question, bud.
Alright, no boost this round. Oh, you put it back on?
Yeah.
Oh, so with boost. Oh, so it actually made boost?
I know!
Whoa!
Oh, we got problems, bud! Okay. It's like,
I like how you can't even see anything. Like,
it literally sounded like it just literally, like, it sounded like somebody dying. I don't know. Ready?
did the battery just die? God damn. God.
Dude, it sounds like a semi.
Actually. Maybe it wasn't a good idea boosting an E36.
It really doesn't like just off idle.
It doesn't like shit, apparently. It really sounds like a garbage truck.
The second is, the second I put it in reverse, it...
Oh my fucking
you wanna try?
Sure. This car is
Literally the second the steering wheel unlocks.
this car is the biggest piece of shit.
And I like how it has like one side of tail lights.
Oh, bro, it used to be the other way around. You want to film?
Everybody's gonna think this thing's like OBD swap or something.
Who is everyone? No one knows this thing exists.
Anybody who sees it, it's like not in our group. Anybody who knows anything about anything, it's gonna be like, damn, that thing looks kind of funky.
I think she's running a little rough.
You do say, brother. You do say.
I do say. Show them the shitty. It's so smooth now.
The oil light stayed on for like 3 seconds longer than it should, and I just about had it through.
It's really smooth.
It was doing this before.
Oh my god.
That's important.
Look at that.
This is why you have PCV vents.
What did we blow up? Bobby, will she boost? Will it boost?
Will it boost? We have a ball. We dig things now. There's no random drills.
There's no random what?
Drills. Chill there, bud.
What, the airbag gonna go off?
Wait, hold on. Just kind of. I'm going to scan the check engine.
Did you take the phone off the roof? Huh? Oh, you're gonna have to repair your phone.
I'll do it later. Come on.
Bro's very dysfunctional.
Oh. Okay. You ready for this?
Never been readier. That 87 cold start though.
Is that with the idle smoother?
Turn the headlights on.
Well, it did idle smoother.
Now it feels like a Cam's garbage truck, but that's not new.
I was gonna say, hasn't it always felt like a Cam's garbage truck?
Definitely runs better in the lower range.
Yeah, but it's still like.
I think that's because it only has one and the other two are still saying it doesn't have air.
Or it could just be that it's